NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life. In a silent mega factory, machines forge a bicycle that refuses to ever remain the same. This facility weaves living metal into NanoFlex Shape-Shifting Bikes, engineered to transform seamlessly with every ride. One frame stretches for climbs, compresses for descents, constantly morphing its geometry in responsive, fluid motion. Traditional bikes are frozen compromises. NanoFlex shatters that, replacing fixed frames with endlessly reconfigurable living structures. At its heart lies a forest of memory metal fibers and light guides, each strand a programmable microscopic muscle. The journey begins in the materials wing, where raw elements arrive in silent, pressurized capsules of glowing matter.
Robots feed these elements into vacuum crucibles, where electromagnetic fields spin molten metal into swirling, aligned metallic plasma.
As the glow cools, the storm solidifies into NanoFlex alloy, a multi-phase memory metal with thousands of shapes.
Droplets of this alloy levitate in magnetized chambers, stretched into fibers while lasers encode their future geometries.
Finished fibers wind onto translucent spools, each spool a dense library of road, trail, and city configurations. The spools ascend into the loom hall, unspooling shimmering threads into a vast, suspended assembly volume. A holographic lattice projects shifting bike geometries, guiding multi-jointed robots as they braid fibers through sculpted light. Microscopic welders flare at junctions as robots tighten braids, fusing dense nodes for powerful future shapeshifts. Photonic stitchers lace transparent light guides through the lattice as the hollow NanoFlex frame finally takes form. Sensor beads embed along stress lines while actuator coils wrap like vines, forming a responsive, nerve-like control mesh.
In the core chamber, robots install a crystalline processor near the bottom bracket, mind of the frame.
Motion settles, and the structure returns to a neutral stance. Hardware awake, synchronized, awaiting personalization.
In the fitting hall, scanners conjure a holographic rider model, analyzing skeletal alignment, posture, and natural stance.
Smart contact simulators mimic hands, feet, and hips, measuring micropressures, balance shifts, and preferred weight distribution.
The frame adapts in real time, lowering millimeters, extending reach, reshaping angles to mirror the digital rider.
Internally, fibers reroute and densify around load zones, while control logs secure a unique imprint profile.
In the testing chamber, the personalized frame mounts to a dynamic rig designed to simulate extreme, shifting terrains. Cobblestones, smooth asphalt, and loose gravel roll beneath simulated wheels as sensors record vibration, strain, and flex.
High-speed imaging shows the lattice flowing under stress, thickening around the head tube and lengthening chainstays.
A robotic test rider begins pedaling, and the frame anticipates torque patterns before the first simulated corner arrives.
The front end subtly steepens, wheelbase shortens, and the machine snaps into razor-sharp, agile handling mode.
Calibration complete, a confirmation pulse ripples through the structure, unlocking continuous, real-time adaptive behavior for every ride.
In city simulations, the NanoFlex frame slices forward aerodynamic, then compresses vertically to navigate tight, constrained spaces.
Mountain environments flood another chamber. The bike pre-softens lattice regions before impacts, then rebounds into efficient climber mode.
Hypothetical simulations test rehabilitation modes, where geometry shields weak joints and gently resists potentially harmful motion patterns.
Disaster scenarios follow, fleets flattening into stretchers, elongating as cargo haulers, even arching into temporary structural shelters. For riders, all this complexity disappears. They move, and the NanoFlex frame silently adjusts to match intention. It becomes an extension of the nervous system, continuously balancing comfort, speed, safety, and pure playful responsiveness. Under a simulated dusk sky, One NanoFlex bike glides along a virtual ridge, frame shimmering with continual micro-adjustments. From molten metals and precise lasers emerges a companion that learns you, changing shape to mirror motion.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.